pagbabawalan ako nito na mag-video. Dito lang eh. Good morning. Oh, yan guys ah. Okay, this is the tragedy. This is where they offer the flowers and everything, but this tragedy, it happened to the other side and the other 43rd Avenue. Good morning guys. Ang lamig pala. Today is Monday. And today is our last voting day dito sa Canada for the premiere. Kaya pupunta ako sa magbo-vote ako. The same place. Moberly School, elementary school ang pupunta akong pagpupuntan. Oh, tingnan, malamig pala guys ha. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ang araw. Malamig. Ito lang. Ano yun? Nag-sweater lang ako tapos maglalakad ako. Ayan, ganito. Maglalakad lang ako. Wala na yung mga flowers dyan. Dyan sa park. Pakita ko sa inyong dadaanan ko. Magboboto ako guys today. At syempre alam ko na kung sino iboboto ko. Dito sa Canada guys, hindi garapalan kung sino iboboto mo. You can just keep it to yourself. Kung ayaw mo may kaaway ka. Ganito lang ang kanilang bawal yung mga naglalagay napakaraming ganyan lang ang kanilang sa mga kandidato. Ayan. Bawal lang mag-video dyan sa loob ng botohan. Bawal. Oh, kita nyo? Diba? Mga punong kahoy ngayon, oh. Nag-i-start ng magdahon. Lahat nagkalbo yan eh. Oh. Ito yung mga pula na puno eh. Oh, nag-i-start ng magdahon. Oh. Ito ba yung hindi ito maple. Those are not the maple. Ganda ng kanilang bulaklak oh. Oh, kita nyo, uso rin ang bakod na ganito oh. Dito sa Canada. Hindi lang sa probinsya. Oh, ganito ang mga grills sa ginagamit. Ay, ako. Ang galing to the other side. Ayan na yung playground. Oh, ano kaya yan? Oh, may nag-iwan. May nakaiwan ng ayan. Punong kahoy. O, dyan na, oh. Moberly School. Diyan tayo magboboto. Malapit lang to sa bahay. Just near my place. Sarap ng hangin niya, oh. Oh, yan yung mga sign ng boat. Sabi niya, basura. Ay, basura day kasi ngayon. Kaya yung mga landlord ko nilabas na yung basurahan eh. Ganyan lang. Diba? Kaganda ng mga puno ngayon, oh. Morning. Ay. Voting place. Magbobot ang tita ninyo today. May tagabantay na dyan. Oh, asa na yung maple leaf? Ito yung mga maple leaf tree oh. Tingnan nyo pag green pala. Ganyan yung mga dahon niya pag green. Ganyan pala. Pero pag yan, nagiging pula na siya. they become red. No student pick up. Allowed in parking. Ay, may bantay tayo guys. Kaya ano lang, I will turn it off my camera. Ayan, dyan lang din yung pan na red. Ha? Red na ano, na halaman. Ah, di ba? Ganda lang kulay ng mga ano, hindi naman ito yung ano halaman na meron sa Philippines, ibang klase. Red ang dahon. Res. Okay, papasok ako sa Dubai sa pagbabawalan ako nito ng video. Dito lang Good morning.
A few moments later.
Ay, tapos na ako mag-vote, guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, bawal lang. It's not, taking video there or photos is not allowed. Kaya, ayun, dyan daw ako mag-picture. Dyan daw ako mag-picture. Isa may voting. Dito ang voting na malapit sa bahay. Hi there, vote. Vote. Kita ba? There. Okay. Picture nga ako. Okay. Oh, very early still. Yung laundry center magbubukas ng ano before 9. May isang oras pa ako maghintay. Kaya dito muna tayo sa park. Ayan those bulb trees, they have now leaves. Diba? They were so bald 2 weeks ago, but now they have their leaves. They're growing and growing until they become thick. Ayan. Sa aming street naman, naging green na naman. Ayan, ganyan lang ang aming ay nako, diba guys, ayan, ganyan lang tingnan nyo, ganyan lang yung mga yung mga iboboto. Diba ganyan ganyan lang ang kanilang mga signs. Tingnan nyo yung conservative nga, napakaliit dun ay nalalaglag na yung mga dahon guys. They're flying away. Tingnan nyo, look at that. See, oh my gosh, diba? They're flying. Ganyan lang yung tingnan nyo yung dun mayor. Conservative yan Itong malaking to yung liberal. Diba? Very simple. Nandun pala yung si mayor. Nayar. How do you pronounce? Nayar? Siya yung conservative. Actually guys, siya yung binoto ko. Secret natin yan Ayun si Mayor, conservative. Noon pa naman conservative na ako. Sabi ko magpipicture ako dyan Okay guys, ganda ng tignan ulit napaka-green. After the pink, white, now become green. Diba? Para tayong mga nasa magazine lang na sa mga picture na nakikita sa magazine. Eto na Pero tingnan mo naman sa sasakyan ko. Madumi. It's dirty. Yesterday, I need to remove all this stuff. Ay, nako. These are the flowers of cherry blossom. Yun lang pangit. Kasi, my parking is here. Under the cherry blossom. Ayan, tingnan nyo, Kaya pag naglaglagan, yan, nandyan. Sa ibabaw ng sasakyan ko. Ay, nako. Siyempre, mahangin ngayon Kaya dito ang bagsakan ng mga mahirap malinisin. Pag nandito. Kaya pati hininga ko guys, ginagamit kong panlinis
Ayaw, di ba?
Tuyutan ko lang yan. Sige nga. Mamaya guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan naganap yung karumal-dumal na inararo ng SUV yung mga tao. Ang daming namatay. Nasa 11 ay namamatay Pero marami pa daw yung nasa critical. So hindi pa nila alam kung ilan talaga yung Diyos ko, nakakalungkot talaga guys. Ay, hindi ko nga narinig yun na may lapu-lapu di pala noong Saturday. Ay ilang araw akong di lumabas dahil nga masama yung pakiramdam ko dito sa aking balikat. Masakit. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan yun mamaya.
A few moments later. Okay guys, nandito ako sa laundry. Dito ako ngayon, nagda-dryer na ako guys. Sa number 9, number 8. Dryer ako. Tapos isa. Marami akong nagahin. Number 20. Dito sa laundry. Filipino store. Kung ayan ang Okay, let's go there sa nangyarihan ng tragedy guys. Uulan pa yata. Natin. Nakasara pa rin pero pwede nang dumaan ng mga sasakyan. Doon tayo sa 43rd. Nag-vigil sila kahapon dito Nag-offer ng misa kagabi. Ay, sarado pa rin pala. Ayan, sarado pa rin. Ayan. Sarado pa rin guys ang Fraser road close. Hanggang dun pala yun kasi nga galing yung yung driver na nangararo sa mga tao from the west. So ibig sabihin hanggang dito yun. 92 kilometers per hour daw yung takbo. Ang bilis nun parang nasa highway. Ayan ayan. Tingnan niya. Doon sila, nag-offer ng mga flowers. Ay, dito pala. Dito nila inilagay lahat ng mga ito guys. Nakalungkot naman. Dami na guys nag-offer ng flowers. Saka kandila. Ay, dapat ako nakabili ng kandila pala. Ayan yung Dalarama. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Ay, ilan. What it was? So, still close ang Fraser. Ayan, yung mga police car. Binara. Doon. Nandun yung ibang ano. In-offer nilang bulaklak. Marami pa rin nag-order ng bulaklak dito guys. I just want to buy condolences. Ayan guys. From west to east. Ang bilis daw. Yun eh, dito yung mga kainan. Oh. Bawal yatang pumasok eh. Oh, nandun sa kabila. No dumping. Bawal pumasok. Oh, may mga pulis ba? Parang bawal. Ayan dito. Ayan. Dito lang naman ginanap yung ano guys. Diyan sa mga parking, ano mga kainan. Pwede ba akong pumunta doon? Doon sa kabila yun. Kasi malapit sa ano, John Oliver School. Hindi pwede. Can I go in? Guys. Diba guys, so kakalungkot talaga. Kung ilang tao yung namatay. Grabe. So sad talaga. Ay. Bibili na kami. Tapos ibig sabihin, sarado rin yung ano?
Will that should be able to get out, or is everything blocked behind it? Alley there. Yes.
Is the Dollarama close also? Ayun nga, the Dollarama.
I don't think so. That's the police officer that this guy.
Dito lang yung mga ano, naka-close talaga eh. I don't know.
Where's the U-Haul?
It's literally, and there's a car park behind this building here. And there's like
Bawal pumasok guys. Bawal. See? Cannot go in there. Bawal. Ah. Is the, I don't know if the Dollarama open. Ay, ganyan guys dito.
Okay, that's fine. I think I'm sure we can keep you.
Kalungkot na.
Get around.
Ang tagal na kung i-close. Oh, I was in the laundry center, so I was drying my clothes. I'm drying now. But I said I want to go.
That's what I said. I want to go to that main, the main one. The main,
Yeah,
the
the-
big one is over there, the main shrine.
I want to
I
see
just dropped my flowers there, and I have candles here. But yeah, we have to go around. They won't allow us to get in there. Let's go to the alley, and then walk all the way to the back.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
businesses has to ask permission.
Really?
They're not allowed to go. At least they have business there. But the guy was even carrying his.
Why it's like I don't even know that they have this Lapu-Lapu festival.
This is the second year only.
Yeah, I didn't
And
attend
then
it
the
even.
real Filipino thing is June.
Oh,
The Independence Day. This
Yeah.
is only the second year that they celebrate this.
oh yeah, I know. So I was really shocked when I heard the news.
It's the second year.
Ay, Grabe.
And it's cold.
I know. It's cold na.
Yeah, they have police every corner now.
Oh, see, it's still closed.
You have to walk the alleyway
Kawawa ang mga business.
in order for us to get out to 41st.
Oh my
This is
God.
43rd, right?
Yeah.
Second, 42nd.
So that's where that
So
guy.
what happened is in the alley there. That's the lane
Where's that guy? That guy came from the west,
that
right?
side.
From the west, right?
from the west coming this way.
Yes. And they said it's 92 kilometers per hour.
No, 100 they're expecting.
Oh my God.
He's
That's so fast. It's like he's in the highway already.
So when he came in slowly in the curve. He make a U-turn. Once the barricade was gone,
Yeah.
he came in slowly and
Yeah.
then he accelerated.
Oh
He
my
stepped
God.
on the gas all the way to the end of the block.
Oh yeah.
So he purposely did it. It's not like
So why did they remove the barricade?
Because the concert was done at 8 sharp. So by 8:14 now, 14 minutes after.
But it still has still many people.
But the cleanup times. So that actually is supposed to be the vendors only
oh
vehicle.
my gosh.
So he out of the blue come from nowhere.
Yeah.
So people expect that he's one of the vendors maybe.
Yeah, but they said that he's a crazy guy. I don't know. Maybe they're just telling that.
No, he
Saying
really has
that-
a mental problem.
Oh.
And that's what happened. They failed. The medical system failed to let him go. He
Oh.
should be kept and then
Yeah.
should not be out the road, period.
Yeah. And where did he get this key for the garden?
That's the clue.
That's the problem that they're discussing. That's the problem that
That's the problem that everybody's
where's his
asking.
parents? Is he living alone? If he has
He's a
something
30-year-old
wrong.
man. He's a grown-up man. He's not young. He's 30.
Yeah, but if he has something wrong with his like head,
Do we have access here? Yeah, we could do-
I think here.
Yes, we can have access here.
Here in
At the back of the church's here.
churches. Also discussing. Oh. So can we not go there also?
You guys want to go through too?
Can we?
Yeah, because they.
Oh, even here.
They're just doing interview of our new cast. We want to interview. So the site that they really made, they made one of the wall here. The wall. Oh, not over. This is the main site. And this is the
Oh.
stage is here in the grass.
Yeah.
And it happened in the alley. Back in the
Yeah. So where did they hold the mass last night? Here?
Yeah, this is the main one.
Yeah, they held the mass last night.
Mass?
Yeah.
No, they have in the church.
Oh,
St. Mary
church.
and Joyce. St. Mary Church.
Ayan guys, ang daming nag-offer ng flowers, candles, but
There's still a cameraman here.
so many guys. They offer candles, and of course, ayan guys, so, tingnan nyo. Pero, it happens in the other side. It's not here. They just barricade the place where the accident happens. So many.
You know what this is?
Bring. Oh, there's a ball.
I don't know.
What happened?
The sign.
You know what language?
I don't
Which
know.
one?
This language. What is that? We love you here. That's
This is the main point.
dami kasi siyempre how many 11 people are killed to this tragedy guys, 11 people, but still they said it's still rising because of those who are in critical
Go
condition.
around big side. You have to go around the back alley here.
644.
Yan guys.
Go through the back alley to the chicken, the alley all the way. That's what this police every alley. But this
That was
businesses.
yesterday that was open. Or
Grabe talaga.
No, this
guys.
is all closed
Dami.
since it happened.
No, I mean, the
Binabantayan ng media to dito guys. Binabantayan nila.
Still from the same, yeah. The shutdown from 41 to 44. This is
Talaga
because
naman.
what happened is at the alley here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it happened on 43rd.
Yeah, so it's behind
na.
in this line by the car.
Oh, yan guys. Okay, this is the
Just
tragedy. This is where they offer the flowers and everything, but this tragedy it happened to the other side and the other 43rd Avenue. Because nobody's allowed to go there, therefore that's why they put all the flowers.
Yesterday I was here when the March
Yeah.
Dear, I'm going first.
Yeah, go
Maybe I'm
Yeah.
drying my clothes
Oh,
in
yeah.
the laundry center.
Nice meeting
meeting
you.
you.
Yeah,
Take
thank
care.
you. Nice
Yeah.
talking to you guys.
Yeah, I just found
Yeah.
the term, trying to figure out how to
Oh, I'm trying my clothes. Ayan guys. Close talaga guys. Ayan, dito ang daanan sa likod ng ano. Pero itong ano, church chicken.
So I explained that to you the other day. And they said, oh,
Ay,
okay, that's fair
makakabili ba
enough.
dito?
I'm not sure
Ayan,
if they did.
itong church chicken. What can I do? Can I buy it here? Ay, hindi. I have so many chicken at home. Ay. Church chicken. Ayan, kaya dito hanggang dito, so kailangan mong ano. Ayan, wala na naman battery
So
dito.
this way we will have it.
Ayan guys. So that's a sad thing guys. Yeah. This is a really a big news. That's where I cannot show you where the actual accident happened because it was barricade. Nobody's allowed to go there guys. Even businesses, they were closed. Okay. Ayan. Okay guys, bye for now. This is the place, the avenue where the accident happened. Here, in this avenue. So, binabantayan ng mga pulis. They are guarding this place. Kakalungkot ano guys, kakalungkot. Okay. But a lot of people are offering flowers, candles. They're showing the unity. They also offer condolences to everyone, to those family affected by this tragedy.